Okay, sorry. This is the and outside the fan, like I was explaining to the manager. Yes, Mujib from Bangalore?
Yes.
I'm from Chennai. Yes. Okay. Very rare that you meet somebody from the same place in a strange place altogether. Okay. So this I will connect the post office afterward. So okay. This room is 15 meters by 6 meters. This is the air conditioner that is cooling this room. The inside temperature is 22 degrees and the outside temperature right now is 31. The outside temperature go up to just 10. Outside temperature can go 30, 40, 50, whatever in the apartment. We have tested it up to 48 degrees centigrade. The purpose is that with this air conditioner, it only takes
the outside.
This is the outside temperature. Okay, and now it will go to the inside temperature. It will come down to between 22 to 23 inside. This is the wall air conditioner. This one, 3000 watts. This takes only 500 watts. We did test sites for it in PTCL and Islamabad. And we put a air conditioner, a regular air conditioner and our air conditioner. They did a test site for 6 weeks. They compared the electricity usage and the regular 1.5 ton air conditioner was taking about 3000 watts and our 5 ton air conditioner was taking 500 watts. We have put it in the presentation on a weekly basis comparison. Now, BTS sites of any telecommunication company use a 25 kVA genset. One genset takes 6 liters of oil per hour. So if you multiply 6 liters by 24 hours and 365, that is about 52,000 liters. In here, Dubai, I checked at the gas station, the price is 3.5 dirhams, nearly $1 a liter. So if you are using 52,000 liters a year, that means Etisalat is paying $52,000 per site per year, plus the cost of the generator, plus the maintenance, plus taking the diesel fuel to the place. So whatever that cost is. So if we calculated that it is between $50,000 to $70,000 per year per site. So if you have 800 sites, that would mean $40 million a year just for the diesel fuel. By using this, we want to use it with the solar. Use solar or a regular, wherever there is DIVA, SIVA, wherever it is, it will save you 90% electricity. And if you are using right now with the present BTS sites which are using the diesel genset, if we use this will bring down the cost from $50,000 to $70,000 a year to about $20,000, depending on how much is the price of the diesel. So if you can save $40,000 a year per site, that is what we are offering. And here in this presentation, we have given a demo to PTCL in Pakistan, and we have given the comparison of the electricity that is being used by a regular air conditioner and by this one.
That's very interesting. But come back to our visitors, basically technical. So let's talk technical.
Go ahead.
How often do I need to replenish the water?
Okay.
This is a closed system.
It is a closed loop system. We have calculated that if you have a tank, depending on the size of the tank will be underground at all the BTS sites. And the only thing will be that instead of the present air conditioners, we would replace it with this air conditioner. And the water that has to be, say suppose the site is somewhere in the desert, right? So today that site is being supplied by diesel in the desert. Okay. One tank will take about a month and a half. So after every 1 month and a half, depending on how hot it is and how much is the evaporation between a month to month and a half, and water cost is for a 10,000 or 5,000 water tank is 200 dirhams. So if we give a contract to somebody to just put the water in, so it will be 100 dirhams per month.
What is the evaporation rate of this water? For example, now the condition outside is 29 and you are achieving 22. Because there is not a very hot condition outside, the evaporation rate may be less. So once the temperature rises, it may be 45. What is the delta T which we can achieve?
I will get you the exact answer on all different temperatures. That's what it is. But what we have seen, like last year when we put it up, that the 300 gallon tank, it took us 1 month. After 1 month, we had to add.
It is an rough estimate.
No, but I'll give you the exact number so that there is no ambiguity about it.
The quality of water is anything required?
You can put seawater, potable water.
Seawater?
No, but I'm saying that some places we have even used salt water to do the experiment. That if there is no water, like in some islands that they want to put up, like Salbanias Island and all these islands, and there is no water, what will happen if there is no water? Then we tried. The only thing is that we put a filter in it, which filters out as much dirt or the TDS of the water, and we can use the salt water also. But we don't recommend it because you have my phone.
Do you need a water pump as well?
We have a half-ton water pump in it. We have a water pump, very small.
What is it for?
Pardon me?
What is it for? Is it part of the system?
No, for the recirculation.
But the recirculation. What if you put the tank on top of the system? Using gravity instead.
Still needs water.
It's like 40, 50 watt pump to recirculate the water. So it's a very small pump. Right now we put it in the water tank to recirculate the water. So those are the two things that move. One is the fan and one is that pump, solenoid pump. So
How many horsepower is this pump?
pump?
Yeah.
Oh, even 110 horsepower. About 70, 80, 70. So by putting these air conditioners in all the BTS sites and all of the sites that are already running, then by replacing it, the electricity consumption would fall by, because there are two things that are there. One is the equipment, telecommunications, and the second one that takes the electricity are the air conditioners. And you have to run the air conditioners. And the air conditioners right now are 4.5 tons. There are two air conditioners. One is running on one time, it shuts off, the other one comes
So
on.
this is drawing the pressure from outside and it is pumping in. Always pressure will be.
Or you can put a recirculating duct, and then you can use the same, you can recirculate the air. But it doesn't matter, the air is coming in.
No, it makes a lot of difference because, for example, if you are recirculating, then your efficiency may increase because you are taking the temperature, inside temperature air, which may, even if you are taking the heat equipment inside, the 23 temperature may raise to 30 or 28, return temperature.
Okay.
But when you are drawing the outside air, hot air, temperature outside if it is 40, then approximately the temperature of the air will be 38, 37.
That would be on a big building.
No, even for a small building.
We have figured it out that this temperature comes down to so low that we don't need to. But it is, yes, you are right. It's very simple that we can have a return loop, and that would be you can recirculate it if the building is big or whatever.
AC operation?
We can use both. Because it's a fan. The fan can be AC or it can be DC.